Hey, it's Midnight Raven here, and today we're going to do an unboxing. As we always do on my channel, my unboxings are the favourite part of my month. And today we are going to be unboxing Feel Unique. So, Feel Unique is a sample subscription service where you get 5 samples and you pay $3.99. You do get that back, which is brilliant. I love the idea that they give it back to you in an email that you can then spend on something else within the store, although you cannot get another pick and mix box. Unfortunately, you are only allowed to have one sample service a month. They do give you an email with the $3.99 and then you can use it to purchase bigger products on their site, but you cannot get another pick and mix, which is a shame. Last month I did have some issues with the pick and mix. Mine did arrive damaged, but they then did rectify that and they did send me a second lot in case it had been tampered with, because it had been fully broken, the box, and opened. But everything was perfectly fine. I did throw the first lot away and I did get the second lot, and I also got a refund from Royal Mail from the condition it came in. So I received a refund on stamps up to the value of the postage, which was the $3.99, and then I received the second contents from Feel Unique because the products had either been damaged or tampered with. So Feel Unique's customer service were really awesome. They just resent a box out and it was with me within 2 days. Royal Mail got back to me within the week and said that they were sorry to see it had arrived in the condition. They couldn't refund the value of the items because they were samples, but they could refund the postage, which was technically the $3.99 that I paid for the box. So it was all sorted. So, like I said, Feel Unique, it's a really good company. I've been getting these pick and mix mystery boxes for a while. Basically, you go on their website and they have like 200 different samples and you can pick 5, which I think is pretty cool. Obviously, they are only samples, so they are not huge amounts of each product. Do bear that in mind. Inside this box, you have all their social media, and they do have bubble wrap in there as well, or the little cushions. Inside social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, their social media is really good, and their customer service are even better. Inside, we have my items. As you can see, they are only sample sizes, so no surprise on how big the samples are. You do get your little cheat sheet which tells you everything you ordered as well, and for $3.99, obviously each of these items is only worth about 75p, so you're not going to expect a huge sample. So let's take the first one I picked, and this is the My Clarins Recharge. This is the My Clarins Recharge, and basically it's a sleep mask, which is pretty cool. If there's any English, which there isn't, most of this is in French. Le pains de fruity de la plante, so I'm guessing it's gonna have a fruity aroma, but it looks like this. It's only a very small size. It's 5 mils, which isn't bad. And the idea is it's just this cream, and then you just put it on your face at night. I believe it doesn't have much. It just says it's a mask. Mask Bon Nuit. So yeah, you just wear it at night. And you put it under your eyes here. And it's meant to take those dark circles away before the morning, which I always wake up with. But it looks like this. So it's a cute little sample. It's only a 5 ml one, but it's bigger than some of the samples that I've had. The next one is, let's have a look. The next one is this Shea Umara. I think it's called Shea Umara. And this is the Shea Umara Art of Hair Ultimate Reset Shampoo. So my hair is quite damaged from dyeing, being in the house quite a lot. Without the tumble dryer, we've had to use our storage heaters more, so it just dries the air out. It's actually not looking that bad at the minute. I've had a hair mask in it once a week recently, but I thought I would try this. It's meant to be like a repair shampoo. This is a 15 ml pouch. Now this is probably the biggest sample I've ever seen so far. It says extreme hair repair, very damaged hair. It's got rice extract in it. Shampooing to condition. So basically it's meant to try and rehydrate your hair with rice extract, which I thought was kind of cool because rice kind of holds the moisture when you cook it. So the idea is it'll lock moisture in your hair so that it won't dry out, supposedly. So this is a really cool sample at 15 mils. It is pretty much full to the brim up to about here. So that's going to give a really good sample. Unlike some of the smaller shampoos where it's just a single use, I should be able to get one, possibly two samples out of that one. The next one was a bigger thing, and it was this, and it looks like this. Now this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. Now these are 3 little samples, as you can see, in different colours. Last month when I got it, I got the wrong one and I ended up with some really dark samples. This month we've got some really light samples. So this is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. We have it in the colours 1N, 2W and 4N. So we have a lighter shade, we have a medium shade, and then we have what I'd call a tan shade. These are weightless to medium coverage. They last 12 hours. They conceal dark circles and imperfections while blurring the look of fine lines. They have got 3 samples. So as you can see, judging by how much is in these, you're literally just going to have a tiny bit of colour just to put on, and then the idea is obviously to go out and buy the full size. So it's seamless coverage, weightless, flawless wear, and it's in the 3 colours. Just gives me something to try because I don't use a lot of foundation or concealer, but I do have really pale skin apparently. So something like a medium or even a darker brown, because I've got like an olive kind of tinge to my skin, but my face is really light compared to my arms apparently. So we'll have to see how that works. The next item is this Ren Hydro Flash Boost Instant Plumping Emulsion. So this again is a small sample. This is 2 mils, so this is tiny. This says Flash Hydro Boost Instant Pulping Emulsion. Apply onto cleansed face and neck, then add water fingertips and massage to skin until fully absorbed to supercharge skin with moisture. Use daily or as part as a usual routine. So it's just trying to get that little bit of extra moisture in your face because our skin just so dry out, especially with the UK weather. One day it's sunny, the next day it spent all day yesterday raining. Again today it's a cloudy overcast, and then apparently it's meant to be more sunny. So each day we're going from heat to cold to rain, and it does play havoc with our skin as well as our hair, to be fair. So this is just a little 2 ml sample. There's virtually nothing really in there. That's the thing with these samples. It does say when you buy the samples how big each sample is, so you're not just going to be surprised by how small they are, but this is how they come. And then the 5th item brings us to the last item of this month, and this is the Institute Estidum Cellular Clear Water Cream. This is a 2 ml sample and it looks like this. Ooh, fancy, huh? And this is the back. So this is what a full size product would look like. So this says Crème de Jeune Tours de Jus, which means eye contour youth cream. I do speak French, which is lucky because most of this is in French. So it's a 2 ml eye cream. It firms and soothes fine lines and deep wrinkles in the eye area. It also effectively reduces puffiness day by day and makes your eyes appear more visibly younger. So Hence wearing glasses, my eyes under here, because you get the sun through your lenses directly onto your face. The bags under my eyes and the skin under your eyes dries a lot more than it would a normal person, because you have the sun constantly be reflected onto your face by your glasses, which is a blessing and a curse because I need to see, obviously. It is only a 2 ml sample, which is a shame. I would have preferred maybe a bigger sample for this. This was one of the ones I really wanted to try because I wanted to hydrate my skin. But like I said, you don't know what the sample sizes are, and this is what you get. So we had 5 items varying in... I've lost one of them. Where's my other item gone? It's on the floor. Varying in size. So the 2 smaller samples this month is the eye cream, and then we had the face cream. So these were both 2 mils. So we had both of them. Oh, butterfingers today. Then we had the concealer samples, which I'm probably going to try the medium, which would be pretty cool. Then we got the Recharge at 5 mils, which is another cream again for your under eyes. I really am trying to hydrate my face there. And then the best sample this month, I would say, is the She Umara Art of Hair sample, which is 15 mils, which I cannot wait to try. I'm going to have a bath this evening and try, so I will let you know how I get on Twitter. If you follow me on Twitter, I am the Midnight Raven. And I do try all my samples, and I do give an update. I do this every month. It has become a regular on my channel. So if you want to receive these kind of samples, if you just go onto their website and you look for the pick and mix, or if you go onto the top bar, it says the word samples. Like I said, you do get the $3.99. You pay for it back to spend on anything else in the store. So if you like any of these samples, you can then go buy a full size and you'll already have $3.99 off, which I think is a bargain because they don't really have to give you anything off. But here you go. Here are my 5 samples this month. Mostly it was skincare this month. Last month I think I got mainly perfumes and over Christmas. So this time we've gone for a face and hair. And even some makeup this time, which I very rarely go for. I usually go for the shampoos and the face creams. But yeah, 3 for my face, a concealer, and a hair mask. So not a bad haul this month. So if you want to receive this yourself, like I said, go on to Feel Unique, or check out their social media. Got Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Go onto YouTube. You can see other people's pick and mixes and get an idea. Quite a lot of my YouTuber friends do these boxes as well, and they pick different items to me, so it is good to kind of see overall. You do get your little note here. It is well packaged, and like I said, you do get the coupon to buy more stuff on their site, but you can only do this once a month. I would love to do this service more than once a month. But obviously, you know, it's once a month only. It then becomes the same day every month. So if you buy it on the 1st of the month, you'll then be eligible to get it again on the next month on the 1st. So it will be another 4 weeks before I can get this. But I do love these samples, and it does give you a time to test them, and it gives them a time to refresh the samples. So if you haven't already and you want to check out more of my unboxings, I do have a playlist with all my unboxings and my makeup ones, and there is the entire playlist of my full unique in my makeup unboxing. So if you want to check out what else I've bought, I have bought perfumes and other stuff as well. Do check out that. If you want to like, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up, that would be awesome. Click the notification bell because I do load every day at the minute. And I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.